Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all well. I have got another makeup tutorial for you guys. I feel like I haven't done it in ages. I think it's been like a month and a half. Oh my gosh, maybe almost 2 months. I am so sorry, but I have got something different. I have got a no foundation makeup tutorial. Yes, I said no foundation, guys. We achieved this look with no foundation. Stop playing with me, okay? Most of the products used in this video is from NYX, but the other products are drugstore products as well. So this whole tutorial is cheap and cheerful because that's what we need all year round. Yeah, I'm feeling you. You feeling me? If you want to see how I got this simple, glowy, no foundation look, keep on watching.
Baby, throw it back. I know you messing with low lights. You know we run the show. She been single for her whole life. Give a city girl, she call it whole life. I'ma put you in your whole life. Maybe you gon' leave her that whole life. She gon' leave the whole life.
So first we're going to prime our face, and I'm going to be using the NYX Bare With Me Daily Moisturising Primer. This has SPF 30 as well, so this is extremely good, especially during summer. To be honest, all season, because we're supposed to be wearing sunscreen all the time. So I do recommend this primer. It is really, really good. I'm just going to apply a little bit on, like that much. And I'm going to rub that in. Now we're going to fill in these brows, and I'm going to be using the NYX eyebrow pencil in dark brown. Now I'm going to conceal these brows using the NYX Born to Glow Radiant Concealer. This is in the shade Cappuccino. I'm going to get this angled brush and just apply some of the products onto the brush and just conceal around my brows. So now that my eyebrows are concealed, I'm just going to add a bit more concealer to my eyelids. And using the same brush, I'm just going to blend that out. Now using this fluffy brush, I'm just going to blend that out even more. So now I'm going to set these brows using the Banana Camel Luxury Powder. I literally just poured some in the lid, and using the same fluffy brush, I'm just going to dip some in, tap off the excess, and just apply that everywhere we put concealer. So usually now I'll apply foundation, but this is a no foundation routine, okay? So I have got with me the NYX Bare With Me Tinted Skin Veil, and this is in the shade Deep Espresso. I feel like this summer I'm really gonna get into the tints because I don't want to be wearing foundation when it's hot. Well, if it gets hot. I just want to go for that natural glowy look, which we're about to have, okay? So I'm just gonna apply some on my face. And using my brush, which is similar to the Real Techniques Expert Face Brush, I'm just gonna blend this all out. I'm gonna add a bit more to the forehead. I am in love with this tint. Look at this. This is giving skin. Wow. Like, you can actually just put on some eyelashes, some lip gloss, and you're out of the house. This is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, look at the coverage. I feel like it's very light, nice and glowy. Like, that's all we need. So now we're gonna highlight, and I'm using the same Born to Glow concealer, and I'm just gonna apply some under my eyes. On my nose, above my lip. And on my chin. So using a wet beauty blender, I'm just gonna blend this out starting from my chin. So now that's blended out, I'm using the Revolution foundation stick in F18, and I'm just going to contour my cheeks and on my nose as well. And my chin as well. Using the same brush I used for my foundation, I'm just going to blend this out. Now that our contour's blended out, we're going to set the concealer, and I'll be using the same powder, and I'm just going to dip my beauty blender in there and just apply that where we put concealer. And I'm going to do the same on the other side. So I'm just going to leave this setting powder on whilst we bronze, just so that it can be a little bit brighter than the rest. I'll be using the Revolution Matte Bronzer, my absolute fave. If you don't know about this, guys, you need to get this. This is my favourite drugstore bronzer, guys. That it is so amazing. It is in the shade Dark, and I'm just going to apply some just a bit above my contour. I can't believe I never used to bronze. I feel like bronzing really brings back the colour into your face. Oh, it is so gorgeous. I love it. Using this fluffy brush, I'm going to add a bit to my nose contour. Using this same brush, I'm just going to gently brush off this powder. I'm just going to tap it in and kind of like brush it away. So I'm tapping and brushing it off. So using my beauty blender, I'm just going to blend everywhere together. So now we're going to go back in again with our eyes, and I've got the NYX Black Liquid Liner. Now I'm just going to add some mascara, and I'm using the L'Oreal Baby Roll Mascara. This is their Mega Volume one. So now I'm going to quickly go off camera and put on my lashes. So my lashes are on now, and we're going to go ahead with the lips, one of my favourite bits. So to line my lips, I'm using the same NYX eyebrow pencil in dark brown. Before I add my lip gloss, I'm going to use the NYX Bare With Me lip conditioner, and this has just been helping me soften my lips because, child, I don't know what is wrong with my lips, but they've been getting so dry lately, and this just helps me so much. I apply this on all the time before I add my lip glosses, so make sure you get this if you have dry lips. It really helps soften them up. Now we are going to add some colour to these lips. I have got the NYX This Is Milky gloss in the shade Lilac Splash. Make sure you watch my last video where I tried all of their shades. Trust me guys, you need this collection for summer. I'm just going to apply some on. So now for the finishing touch, I'm going to get the NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. I'm going to shake that and just spray that on. So this is the finished look, guys, and I'm absolutely in love with this no foundation look. I feel like as a drugstore brand, NYX always deliver because it's the tint for me. I highly recommend you get everything in this video because, as you can see, it just all makes sense together. This was a simple light beat. Like, I feel like I barely have anything on. Like, guys, thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and let me know what else you want to see from me. Make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe, and remember, it's a more life thing each and every time.